With our current energy crisis, we've been forced to grapple with our increased dependence on foreign oil. Our next guest is giving investors an opportunity to invest in domestic energy sources that are sorely needed. Joining us now from JBH Consulting Group is Brian Hudnall, President. Brian, welcome.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Brian, what sort of investment are we talking about when it comes to domestic energy sources?
We're talking about drilling programs here within the United States. Typically, we invest a lot of our money and time and effort into the Kansas region, and we also are doing some producing asset types of programs. Essentially, it's an oil and gas fund, so putting those two types of investments together is a great diversification tool within the oil and gas industry as well.
And I understand there are tax benefits?
That is correct. There's actually a lot of big tax benefits involved in these types of investments. In a typical drilling program, any investor can write off approximately 70 to 80% of the initial investment and take it off their adjusted gross income. So instead of paying the IRS, this is a great way to offset some of one's tax liabilities at the end of the year.
Will an investment in domestic energy help increase diversification in one's portfolio?
For sure. If you have an investor that invests in stocks or bonds or CDs, this type of investment, you're directly involved into the drilling of oil wells within the United States. Even though it does have risk, but there's some good rewards with these types of programs. The tax benefits, the monthly income stream, as well as you mentioned, the diversification within one's portfolio.
We've been speaking with Brian Hudnall. Learn more about investing in domestic energy sources at jbhconsultinggroup.com.